Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to change logo color in Photoshop, step by step. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Photoshop and create new project or open your project and add logo. This logo Facebook and blue color and select layer and double click layer, no click name. This, alright, layer option style and click on color overlay and change color this, alright, and click on and click on OK and no naming Facebook. Alright, Command Z and quick selection tool and right mouse click and magic wand tool and click on Command J or Control J or click on right mouse and layer via copy. Alright, and double click layer logo and click on color overlay or gradient overlay. Alright, color overlay and change green and press OK and and double click layer F and change color or gradient. Alright, and click on OK, and that's all.